an exciting day for CCIV. It appears CCIV just left Mother Earth to the moon. So congrats to all those that got into CCIV. In this video, I will share with you the latest news catalyst that is driving up CCIV, what it means, what to expect next, and provide you my price predictions. So stick around. Sawasdee krap, that's hello in Thai, and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony, and I'm a former engineer and data analytics turned entrepreneur and investor. In my prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio, and in the past 12 months, grew it more than 550%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow this channel by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit and like and share the video. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. Before I start, many of our Quantum Finance community members are asking if I plan to start Patreon or Discord. The answer is yes. Many of you are asking to follow my trade in real time, and those two platforms are the best way to serve the purpose. I should have it set up by mid next week or end of next week. I would greatly appreciate that you all join in and support the channel, so stay tuned. Okay, if you've been following the CCIV Lucid merger since the Bloomberg article posted on January 11, 2021, you know that we're very close to a merger announcement. As of yesterday, on Thursday, February 11th, CCIV spiked up in after hours after CCIV Lucid Motors merger rumors. There were several Bloomberg screenshots that were released on Twitter and Reddit by various authors such as Muslim Trader, Alex Cutler, El Professor, Wall Street RY, and many others. The Bloomberg screenshot states, quote, a consortium led by Venrock Associate proposed to sell Lucid Motors Inc. to Churchill Capital Corp. IV. The transaction was proposed on January 11, 2021. Financial terms of the transactions are unknown, unquote. Its status was updated to state, quote, proposed on the block, unquote, with, quote, cash, unquote, as payment type. There were several Bloomberg terminal screenshot versions posted by Wall Street RYDD, but I don't want to get into detail as I do not think it matters in the big picture. Regardless, the Bloomberg screenshot has unleashed a fresh new wave of buying in Churchill Capital shares. Why was the Bloomberg screenshot so significant? According to Rohel Salim, the venture capital firm Venrock Associate is one of the oldest investors in Lucid Motors, and it is now looking to sell its stake in Lucid to Churchill. Other news that support the build-up of the CCIV share price increase was that the Bank of America upped its stake on CCIV stock by 200%. Per Fintel website, CCIV now has 78 institution buyers. It also came to public that CCIV has filed the SEC forms SC13G Churchill Capital IV, a statement of acquisition of beneficial ownerships by individuals. This is a sign of CCIV wrapping up its deal with key investors. There are also news today that Michael Klein, the man behind Churchill Capital IV, has a few other special purpose acquisition companies in the works. According to another report from Bloomberg, Klein raised a total of $1.68 billion for his two latest deals. This comes as Churchill Capital VI or CCVI raised $480 million and Churchill Capital VII or CVII raised $1.2 billion. Both of these amounts are higher than previous IPO estimates. Investors are taking this as a clue that Klein is looking to wrap up his talk for CCIV stock as he launches his 6th and 7th SPACs. Let's look at yesterday's chart. Needless to say, CCIV spiked up $35.55 or up almost 13%, forming a bullish pole flag pendant triangle in after hours. I didn't have time to make a CCIV video update last night, so I posted a technical analysis on the Quantum Finance YouTube community board and told our members to expect a spike in CCIV on Friday. My prediction is that once the 35 level breakout is confirmed, CCIV will trade in the $40 to $45 range, and it will continue its run next week. The prediction was spot on as the breakout was confirmed and CCIV was trading in the $40 to $42 range by the end of Friday. Today's chart was interesting. It gapped up big time in pre-hours and had a breakout. It then traded sideways in the $34 to $35 range, consolidated to form a base in preparation for the next run up. Around 11:52 a.m. Standard Pacific Time, it finally broke out, reaching an all-time high of $41.37, but retraced back to close at $39.98. It is up 26.92% for the day or $8.48. Note that CCIV options was the 9th most active stocks with 337,000 in trading volumes. It has 81.4% being bullish on calls, while 18.6% being bearish on puts. Now, the next news catalyst for CCIV is to anticipate a formal merger announcement to be made by next week or two. This falls in line with the 31 days from Bloomberg article to confirm merger talks. This will further spike up CCIV shares to the 45 to 55 level as initially predicted in January 12, 2021 in my prior CCIV videos. Until we get a full confirmation from CCIV or SEC filings, the situation right now with Churchill Capital and Lucid Motors merger remains speculative. However, I personally think we're 99% there, but that 1% could change everything, but the odds is very low at this point. So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some moolahs!